Exactly. I totally agree with that, especially the attracting opportunities. Yes, because you are positioning yourself already and build a trust with your audience along the line. Yeah, because you yourself identified in a professional environment. Yeah. Okay,
Yes.
thank you very much. What not? Yes, maybe I would like to ask you about social media because nowadays it's very popular to be, to be exposed into this social media and the like. How can social media be used effectively for self-branding? Do you need go on a live stream for daily basis or just show up, right? You just have to show up on a screen. What do you
Yes.
think?
Yeah, this is a really relevant question because actually, when we are talking about personal brandings, we need to be aware that people will try to search and to look about information about yourself. So the first thing is that I think you need to have some maybe some fan base, some social media pages in which you can share your interest. So it's not like you are making some advertising just to sell some things, but it's like more than give and take. So just give all your audience some information about maybe marketing business or maybe about photography, about some kind of topics you are really interested. So it will show them that, okay, when we are talking, for instance, about Marie Chris, we know that she specializes about educational. She has a concrete result with her student. So it's more than showing that, okay, I have the experience and I don't need to prove myself about, okay, I am specialized about this one, this one, this one, this one, but just to show that I have some kind of, how can we say, some ecosystem. I make some
Mm.
ecosystem around me. So whenever I try to search about your profile, I know that, okay, Marie Chris is very specialized on teaching English, and she has experience about um, electronics, about teaching children. So these things is just enough to promote yourself. It's not like because I know that some people they make some mistake of making just a social media pages just to show that, okay, I sell this product, this type of product, this is the price, are you interested or not? No, this is not the type of
Mm.
personal branding strategies.
I see. Yes, I get your point, which is really, really true. You know what? When I get started from zero follower on Facebook, and right now, I'm not that very active, but I've got at least 12,000 followers. And I have made that all by scratch. Yes. And to tell the truth, it's very hard because I need to show up my face for a minute or 2 minutes or another kinds of recordings in order to give value with my students because I want them to learn more and get aware of something which is relevant from their work, from their studies, or wherever they are, I could reach them. So my goal in that it's not about money or price or something, but the best thing is that to get them aware that hey, this is important. English is important. Yeah, this won't I mean it is worth for you to watch my video and yeah, I give value in that kind of case to get aware of something which is important from the daily basis in our lives. Yeah. Okay, very good. Next question is that I want to ask you with the key elements of a strong personal brand. Yeah.
Yes, about the key element of the strong personal brands is the first is the proof. So it means if you have worked with customers and you have maybe some results about for instance testimonials, about comments,
Mm-mm.
for all of this type of elements, you can highlight it and to show to your audience that okay, I have worked with this type of customers, they are happy with it. So this is one of the key elements that improve your personal brandings. And the second element is the way you want to give and instruct your audience. So you have the knowledge and you want to share it to other people's. So all of these two main elements will just improve your profile, and also it will help the, how can you say, the algorithm of social media to redirect directly on your profile. If someone are looking for learning, for educational subject, it will directly link with your profile. So it will
Exactly.
also have
Mm-mm.
the IT part and the strategies also.
Wow, you're really, really true. Because if I'm not really a geek or tech savvy, yeah, with this. Oh, sorry.
No worries.
Yes, not even like very good at, but to tell the truth, consistency and the clarity of speaking and directing a message. As you said on Sky Apollon, right? That I have learned something very interesting, which you need to have a consistency and the clarity of your message in order to deliver and not to swing around your ideas. Just get to the point so everyone won't waste time because time is money. Time is
Yes.
money. And be online presence in addition because those who show up wins. Yeah. Even though you have the brightest mind, I don't have that. I mean, the highest intellect to do that education things and like, I'm just an average, but I show up every day to learn and I'm willing to understand the things that I don't know. Once you are willing to do something that is difficult, I guess you already win it. Yes.
Yes. Totally agree.
Okay, very good. Last but not least is that what are some common mistakes to avoid in self branding or personal branding, Tian?
I think the common mistake when we are talking about personal branding is sometimes you show that you are a total expert, and that's not totally true because if you have the knowledge, it means that okay, at this time I have this type of knowledge, but I can improve maybe tomorrow, in 1 year, in 2 years. So it means that you need to be very open-minded about the trend and all the situation in the futures. So what the mistake I can spot is to not get struck on the actual situation. Maybe on the actual situation, you can be an expert, but maybe tomorrow you can have a lot of competitors just like you who can be
Mm-mm.
better than you just because they are open-minded and they try to learn better than you.
Correct. That's really true. Because not all the time your spot is there. Yes. You have also
Mm,
to improve yourselves. And the best thing is not to compare ourselves, by the way, to other people. To me, I
yes.
would rather choose like comparing myself yesterday or last year and then yes, I'm
Yes.
very happy because I have improved at least, and that makes me always also like happier because whenever I'm sorry, I am hearing my friend's story that comparing him and that wow, oh my God, you
Yeah.
will never be happy because they have like this and you are here and why you're comparing yourself? Do you have a learn and also study a different world? So it is useless if you will be comparing yourself. It's totally crap. You will be miserable. You're not going to be happy and that that
Yes.
yes.
That's true.
How about you? What do you imagine yourself if yes to make you happy? It makes
I
sense.
think, yeah, yeah, that's really relevant because I think that if you have some friends, most of the time with the friends, we want to have this type of conversations of, okay, I am best than you, better than you because I know this one, and we try to elevate yourself, but it is not really this type of good conversation or smart conversation. So I think that if you have the entrepreneur's spirit, it is good to talk about project, to get to learn insight from your friends, or to have like constructive exchange instead of comparing exchange.
Wow, beautiful. I truly agree. And it's very hard to find this kind of friends.
Mm,
Yes,
yes,
because not everyone would like to study. We have so many self-development books, but they don't read. I tend to read and buy books as well. And I'm also willing to do that for sure because I believe that, yeah, there's always room for improvement.
that's true. Totally true.
All right. So, oh my God, it's almost time. It seems that we're running out of time. And I would say thank you for coming again, showing up to
Thank you,
our
Marie Chris.
another video.
Yes.
Yes. And anyway, see you soon, guys. Bye.
See you soon, Chris. Bye bye.
Bye.